competitive pay ranging from $19 to $46 per hour. $46 per hour, that's huge. So let me do a quick calculation so that you guys will understand. So here, let's say you have an average of $30 and then you don't work weekends, so that gives you 26 days. And then you work, let's say you work for 8 hours a day. I know some of us who work 12 hours. 30 times 8 is $240 per day. Then you're working for 26 days in a month. So do 26 days and you have $6,240. A lot of people don't know that there are lots of remote jobs that require no special skills but can pay up to $5,000 per month. But that's not you, because you're watching this video right now, and in this video I will share with you 10 remote jobs you didn't know about. Let's get right into it. Number 1 on the list is TextBroker. TextBroker is a copywriting platform. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So here on TextBroker, each word counts. So these are the services that they offer. People that want to buy content, hire writers and all the rest of that. This one is for you if you're a copywriter. So here you register as an author for free. Payment, there are several ways to earn money by writing through TextBroker. The higher the quality of your content, the better your payment. And that brings us to number 2 on the list, ClickWorker. So once you land on clickworker.com, you click on ClickWorker job area. Profit from your talent. You can see ClickWorker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. How it works: you sign up as a ClickWorker free of charge. You work independently. Now, when they say free of charge, this means that it's not a scam, right? You don't have to pay anything. All you need to do is just sign up, work, and get paid. So here are the type of jobs you can do on clickworker.com. Text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, surveys, mystery visit, app testing, photo capturing, audio recording, and video recordings. Okay, so all these things are things that you're going to be doing on ClickWorker. It's really vast, and you can make a whole lot of money out of this. And then if you want to register, all you have to do is to scroll all the way down and click on ClickWorker registration, or you can still find it from the top. You click on career, and then it brings you here. Please do not send a written application if you want to become a ClickWorker. To become a ClickWorker is quite easy. Just register here. So click on register. It's still going to take you to the same place, the registration form. Okay, the normal way you register any form is quite simple. So I don't make this video too long. I'm not going to go into filling the form because it's quite easy for you to do. Just put your gender, put your first name, title, last name, username, and email address, put your password, confirm your password, and click OK. Then follow through the registration process, and then you get to be a part of ClickWorker and start making your money right away. So this is a great platform for you to make money. And if you combine it with the previous platform that we talked about, you are sure of getting up to $5,000 in a month. But remember, we still have 8 more to go. So number 3 on the list is StudyPool. StudyPool is where you get paid to answer questions, teach people, and also sell old documents. Let's take a look at it. So you scroll down to here. You can see become a tutor, or you still here, become a tutor. You still have sell document, earn money answering homework questions, earn up to 7,500 monthly working from home tutoring students. At this point, I think is the right time to tell you to please like this video so that more people can see this video and benefit from it. Now accepting tutors from all over the world. So this is something you can do from all over the world. Answer questions. You can see names here, names of people that are making money from it, highest earners. This one 41,000, this one 39,000, 35,000, 31,000, 27,000. You can also make money selling documents. Earn money by selling study documents. Earn up to $5,000 a month We share your documents with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student views one. So what this simply means is that you upload your document, maybe in school, you upload your test or your past questions or something like that, but not, like your certificate, you understand the point. So you upload your document, as you can see, this one is 9 pages, this one 9 pages, and this one is 89 pages, 8 pages. And this person has already gotten $83,370. And that brings me to number 4 on the list, which is Just Answer. Let's just go to my computer so that I can show you what I'm talking about. So here is justanswer.com, revolutionizing professional services, 24/7 access to help from thousands of experts where and when you need it. So if you are a lawyer, doctor, veterinary doctor, mechanic, electronics tech, computer tech, electrician, plumber, accountant, and all the rest of it, you can register as an expert, and whenever someone asks a question, you get to answer the question and make a whole lot of money. Let me show you what to do. So here, click on Become an Expert. You can earn an average of $2,000 to $7,000 per month. Earn money when you answer questions in your field of expertise online. Set your own hours and work anytime, anywhere. So this is an amazing way to make money as an expert. So make money doing what you love, leverage your professional expertise to answer people's questions and earn cash. Work anywhere, anytime. All you need is internet connection and a computer or a smartphone. Work as much as you want. Set your own hours and choose the questions you want to answer. And that brings us to number 5. Playtestcloud.com. On this platform, you get paid to test video games. Yes, if you're a gamer, you will find this much easier. But even if you're not a gamer, you're just looking for how to make extra income. So testing out games won't be an issue. So let me show you all you need to know about playtestcloud.com. So here is their website, www.playtestcloud.com. You can find all the details you want here. As you can see, make games that players love, right? So if you scroll down, you're going to see, much details about them and the people they've worked for and worked with. You can find all the details here. So we'll quickly go to Become a Tester. So you want to sign up as a tester, not here. So not here. Don't click on sign up here. Just click on Become a Tester. Sign up. If you're eligible, we'll send you our qualification test. The qualification test is unpaid. You can find questions here, commonly asked questions. So most of the questions that you might have is already highlighted here. So I'll do a dedicated video for these platforms individually. I'm going to share how effective it is, how much I've made from it, how to sign up, the pros and cons, and everything that has to do with this platform. So I'm going to go into much details. I can't share all that now because the video will be excessively long, but I would love you to sign up and then you can share your results with me. That will also be nice for me while I'm making the video, so I can highlight your own results as well. So while you expect my own video, I would love you guys to please keep me posted on your progress. So let's move forward. So number 6 is rapidworkers.com. Here you get paid to complete simple tasks. Let me show you on my system so that you can better understand what Rapid Workers is all about. Here is their website, www.rapidworkers.com. So here you can see different kinds of tasks that you can complete, and this is something that you do on a daily basis or something that you already know how to do. It's not like it's a difficult thing. So like this one, you get paid 10 cents to vote for a video on YouTube. Follow someone on Twitter, you get paid 12 cents. Insurance form sign up, you get paid $1.50. So these are the kind of tasks you will be doing on a daily basis for this platform, and it's super simple, something you can do under 5 minutes. If you want to sign up, simply click on Be a Part of Rapid Workers now. So this is the sign up page where you put your name, your email address, your password, and the country. Be very careful when you're filling the form. So that you don't put another country. You have to put your country because your completed task will not be counted if you do another country's task. So number 7 is remotetask.com. It's just similar to rapidworkers.com. I'm going to show you on my system again how this works and how you can benefit from it. Here you can see all the details about the websites. So let's click on how it works so that you can better understand how this works. The first stage is you learn how to do tasks with our quick online courses or free hands-on training. And then number 2, you complete tasks. And number 3, get paid in dollars weekly. Now, if you're in Nigeria or PayPal doesn't work in your country, that you can receive money via PayPal, I have a video dedicated to that, showing you how you can register for PayPal and start receiving money on PayPal. I'll leave the link in the description box. And remember, you're going to be needing it for most of these platforms, so you just have to sign up with the PayPal and start making use of it. So we click on start earning today. Here, why remote task, you can see there are new projects always coming in, long-term projects you can consistently work on, get paid often, cash out, earn a living, and remote taskers have earned over $15 million. So if you had started earlier, you would have gone home with part of this $15 million, but not to worry, you can just go ahead and sign up. And how do you do that? You click here and then you sign up with your Facebook or your Google account. You can then take your training and start performing tasks. And that brings me to number 8, sidehustlestack.com. This is an amazing platform. I use it as well. You get to offer services, maybe professional services in your field, where you get to teach people, coach people, mentor people, answer questions and stuff like that and get paid. So here is Side Hustle Stack. So here you have work categories. So here you can pick just about any category that you fit into. So if your niche is chef, adult content creator, audio content creator, community leader, coach, like my own, content creator, e-commerce, event organizer, driver, fitness instructor, gamer, and so much more. Even tech, you can see teacher, you can see video course creator, you can see writer, and a lot of them. So for the purpose of this training, let me just show you how much you can make from coaching. So here you have different levels from the highest to the least. So this is a skillful level. Depending on your skill and your experience in your field, that's when you have access to this one. But if you qualify for this, you're going to be making $1,000 per month, and all you need to do is coach mentees through a case or project that simulates a real-world problem you face on the job, teach your mentees and provide them career guidance while leveling up your own people manager skill set, growing your network and earning a great side hustle. And on number 9 is proofreadingservices.com. It's a platform that pays you to proofread things. So I'm going to jump right into the system and show you guys about proofreadingservices.com. Here it is. You can see all the details here. The easiest way to get proofreading, editing, and translation. So they cater for these 3 things: proofreading, editing, and translation. So you can make money from all 3. Let's scroll down. So here you can see careers. So click on careers. It's going to bring up this. And then you click on online proofreading jobs. Here are some of the benefits of working for proofreadingservices.com. Competitive pay ranging from $19 to $46 per hour. $46 per hour? That's huge. So let me do a quick calculation so that you guys will understand. So here, let's say you have an average of $30 and then you don't work weekends. So that gives you 26 days. And then you work, let's say you work for 8 hours a day. I know some of us who work 12 hours. 30 times 8 is $240 per day. Then you're working for 26 days in a month. So do 26 days and you have $6,240. This is more than enough to pay for your rent, your car notes if you're living in the US, and if you're living in Nigeria, it's more than enough for you to get a land, get a car, or even pay for your house rent for the year. So how amazing is that? So this is about proofreadingservices.com. So this also proves that my thumbnail And the title for this video is not a clickbait. You can see it real time here that you can make above $5,000. So here you can click on apply to be an online proofreader to sign up. So this is more like a quiz to make sure that you actually proficient in proofreading and English. So it's quite easy. It's something you can do if English is your first language, but if English is not your first language, you can always find a way around it. Let me know how it goes in the comment section and I'll be here to help you. Which brings us to number 10, Rev.com is a transcription platform that pays you to transcribe audios, videos to text. It also pay you to write captions and all the rest of them. Let's quickly go over to my system so that I can show you how to make money with Rev.com. So here is Rev.com. As you can see, look at how much they charge per minute, audio and video transcription per minute and all the rest of it. You can get all the details here, but we might want to just scroll down a bit. You will see where you can sign up as a freelancer, join our community of 70,000 freelancers and get paid to caption, transcribe or subtitle content. You can work from anywhere and choose the jobs that interest you. We believe everyone deserves an opportunity to support themselves, even if their schedule doesn't allow for a 9-to-5 routine. So here you click on become a freelancer. It's going to open the sign up page. So here you can see earn money transcribing, captioning or subtitling from anywhere, anytime. Create a flexibility work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs. So you're here, you're going to choose from hundreds of jobs. So this is an amazing platform. Get paid weekly, receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. Rev is on time and dependable. So one of the reasons why I love all these platforms is that they pay you on a weekly basis. So this means you will be getting your paycheck every single week. So transcriptionists, you get paid. This is the range of pay. You get paid 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. Here is also captioner. You get paid 54 cents to 1.10 cents per audio or video minute. So subtitler, this is how much they pay. They pay 100. They pay. Sorry about that. They pay 1.50 cents to $3 per audio or video minutes. And then to sign up, you quickly click on sign up to be a Rev freelancer, and then you can get on this platform and start making the money. Now that you know 10 remote jobs you can do to secure the bag, please subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell for more videos like this.